LED lighting is one of the newest technology in lighting. LED stands for light emitting diode. Nowadays, LED lights are used widely in residential, commercial, industrial and outdoor lighting applications. The major advantage with LED lights is the life of the lights. LED lights last for more than 10 years if they are purchased from a proper manufacturer. The other big advantage in LED technology is they consume 60% lesser energy than conventional CFL light. Apart from this, there are other advantages, like LED lights turn to full brightness instantly, whereas other technologies such as CFLs take some time for going to full brightness. Also, LED lights contain zero mercury and 100% non-toxic. They are 100% biodegradable also. Hence, LED technology is also known as green technology. Let's see how LED technology can be used at homes. There are certain factors that we need to consider when we are planning to buy lights for homes. Let's go one by one. What different lights can be used for homes? We build homes maybe once or twice in the lifetime, so we must design the house in such a way that we will be comfortable in it. There are three types of lights that can be used for homes. They are ceiling lights that go on the roof, then we have wall mount lights that come onto the walls, and then we have floor lamps that sit on floor or table. The decision of using the type of lights to be used depends on several factors. For example, if there is an infant at home, we can avoid the floor lamps since there is a chance of electrical hazard with the kids. Sometimes the decision depends on budgets, sometimes on maintenance. If there is no such concern for you, we recommend you to go for a mix of ceiling lights, floor lamps and wall lights. The next question is, are we going for false ceiling or not? All lights that go inside the false ceiling are called recessed lights. Recessed lights are used when we are planning for false ceiling. When we are not going for false ceiling, we use surface mounted lights. Then the next question is, how much budget is needed for lighting? This question always stands on the top of the questions as we are all concerned about the budgets. We recommend our customers to understand the technology before deciding the budgets. So, in this video, we will see the lighting designs for room to room with basic design that keeps budgets into consideration, then advanced design that keeps room aesthetics into consideration. So, let's start on how to plan lighting for your home. On room to room basis, living rooms. This is one place where most of us spend our active time, whether it's watching TV, chatting with family members, welcoming guests that have come. Since it is the most active area at home, lighting should be sufficient and room should look bright. In ceiling lights, we can put either 4 or 6 down lights depending on the size of the room. Down lights are big lights that spread light in. They are the main source of light in the rooms. Please note that down lights give lot of light, and for Indian homes when the ceiling heights range from 8 feet to 9 feet, down lights of 12 watts, 15 watts, or 18 watts should be used. Now coming to spotlights. Spotlights are small 2-inch diameter lights that give spots. Unlike down lights, LED spotlights do not spread light. They give a bright spot, which improves the look and feel of the room. Spotlights are optional when budgets are tight, but we recommend using spotlights as they improve the look and feel of the lighting in a room. For residential applications, we recommend using 1 watt to a maximum of 6 watt LED spotlights. In a basic light planning, 4 or 6 LED down lights give good light, but in a advanced lighting design, it's 80% of the lighting for your living room is done. The rest 20% comes with the floor lamps and wall lights. When there is no one at home, floor lamp can give sufficient lighting. For all light models, visit our website www.aptroindia.com. If you are planning step ceiling, or any design in the ceiling that is an option for concealed lighting, LED strips can be used. This is called cove lighting. The advantage of the cove lighting is, the lights are not visible but the lighting is visible. Also, cove lights give a very pleasant light, and the best part of the cove lighting is that the cove lights do not leave shadows in the room. Let's move to the dining area. In most of the Indian communities, we often find ceiling fan just below the dining table. But however, the food gets cool faster when we switch the ceiling fans. Nowadays interior designers are suggesting homeowners to use table fans, and in the place of the ceiling fan, a small decorative suspended chandelier can be used. The spotlights and the down lights will remain same as in the living room. Bedrooms. Bedroom lighting differs from one person to another. The bedroom lighting can consist of different elements, and as a combination, the room looks very elegant. The bedroom lighting can be started from the ceiling. The down lights and spotlights will be used as per the size of the room. Now usage of task-based lighting can give bedrooms a very grand look. Like for example, usage of bedside lamps on either sides of the bed will make the room look very good. Alternatively, the table lamps that suits your room's interiors can be used too. In a basic design, use 4 or 6 LED down lights alternatively looped in 2 switches. This will satisfy the lighting requirement. In an advanced design, refer to our table lamps, wall lamps series in our website and select the model that suits to your bedroom theme. Usage of strip lighting in the bedroom gives a pleasant look to the room. When you have a strip lighting provision, the down lights will be used rarely, as the lighting from the cove light will be more than sufficient for day-to-day operations. Kitchen. Kitchen is one of the most important places in the home. The food that is made in the kitchen feeds the family, and hence good lighting in kitchens must be ensured. But we often see that, no matter how good we do lighting from the ceiling, the overhead cabinets block the light coming from the downlighters. In a basic design, kitchen lights can be either 2 or 4 based on the dimensions of the room. But in an advanced design, we recommend usage of LED under cabinet lights to ensure the cooking and cleaning areas get extra light. Let's move to bathrooms. Bathroom lighting is often neglected and a tube light or a CFL bulb is put in it. But bathrooms can be made more personal. They can be made more aesthetic and appealing. Usage of mirror lights and some decorative bathroom lights will barely increase the cost of the lights, but will improve the aesthetic values more than 10 times. Refer to our bathroom lighting catalog for more details. Likewise, we can personalize the lighting designs for puja rooms, yoga rooms, dressing rooms, staircases, home theaters. For a detailed LED lighting consultation, please visit our website and take an appointment from our consultant. So, what are the goals achieved with this lighting solutions? Customer satisfaction, which is the key objective of this entire exercise, is the first goal. Since lighting is carefully designed, there will be very less or no wastage of power for unnecessary lighting. Also, coupled with LED lighting, there will be a 60% drop in lighting electricity bills. Professional lighting design improves the look and feel of the house to a great extent. Your home interiors will look great when good lighting is installed. Sometimes the real beauty of the interiors come out only with good lighting. Not everywhere LED technology can be used. We recommend using a combination of 70% LED to 20% CFL to 10% other technologies for lighting. This ratio may change based on the financial goals of the company. Selection of LED lights. There are many LED light manufacturers in the markets. Most of the so-claimed manufacturers are only traders and import from China. When we are spending decently on new home interiors, furniture, LED TVs, air conditioners, we must put a decent budget for lighting also. Budgets of LED lighting. If a customer wants to spend lavishly, sky's the limit. But we can do an amazing job in whatever budgets suggested by the customers. For instance, if we consider lighting design of a 3-bedroom apartment with living, dining, 3 bathrooms, 1 puja room and a kitchen, it would cost about 70,000 to 80,000 for lighting the entire house in a basic layout. The same house, when used with advanced lighting design, may range somewhere from 1,20,000 to 1,50,000. This lighting design and advice is given by Mr. Deep. Deep is a highly experienced LED lighting consultant and has customers across India for LED lighting design. For more details, please call 089787111234. If you are calling from abroad, please remove 0 and add +91 and talk to our sales executive today. This presentation is